free music for your videos without copyright issues? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to download music from YouTube's audio library. 100% free and legal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a YouTuber or content creator, finding copyright-free music is very important. Today, I will show you step-by-step how to download music from YouTube audio library. Absolutely free. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio or simply search on Google, YouTube Studio. Step 2. Log in to your account. Sign in with your YouTube account. Step 3. Open Audio Library. On the left side menu, scroll down and click on Audio Library. Step 4. Browse music. You will see a list of free songs you can filter by genre, mood, artist, duration. Step 5. Listen before download. Click the play button to preview the music. Step 6. Download music. Click the download icon next to the song. The file will instantly download to your device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Now you can use free music in your videos without any copyright issues. See you in the next video.